Caitlin from Babies and Borders. I just got in the new GB Pockit stroller, and my husband informed me that unboxing videos are a thing. So when we got home, this lovely box was by the front door. I pre-ordered this stroller from Toys R Us, and it took several weeks to get here because my date kept getting pushed back, but I'm super excited to get it. We are huge baby-wearing Tula fans, but every now and then you need a stroller, especially with Isla getting a little bigger, being on the go all the time. Sometimes it's good to have a stroller, but we do love baby wearing too. So we think this might be a good stroller to come along because it's so little. So this is the box that it came in, and when I saw this box I was like, oh my gosh, that's really big, that is not small. But when you open the box, excuse Chloe here, the actual stroller box is only this big. So that made me happy. Okay, so now let's open the goods. Alright, so this is the outside of the box. It's the GB Pockit, and it is the record breaker with the smallest fold for the Guinness World Records 2014. On the side here, it tells you the folded dimensions are 11.8 inches by 13.8 inches by 7 inches deep. So that is well within the size for carry-ons for airplanes, which is why we want this stroller. It is self-standing when folded, extremely lightweight. It only weighs 10.6 pounds, and it is, they say small but strong. So we'll see about that. This is how it looks folded. It shows you in the box. This is a 1-to-1 actual size. And then you have on this side a bunch of warnings, but we'll skip those. Alright, so let's open it up. We ordered black because that was the only option for pre-order on ToysRUs.com. Okay, so when you open the top, basically, there's your stroller, all nicely folded. Let's take it out. Maybe. There we go. There's really nothing else in the box once you take the stroller out except for some padding. Oh, here you go. So there it is, standing upright. We'll take our little bag off. Certainly smells like a new stroller, which is not something I enjoy. I really don't like off-gassing of products, or the scent of products, whatever you want to call it. There is the little stroller. So I don't even see really, unless I missed it, an instruction book. Maybe you don't need one. Take these off. So this is your hood when the stroller is together, but I gotta figure out how to get the stroller out. Now in the video, she does this like one-handed little, oh, there's the instructions. Little move, okay. So we're almost there. Oh. Now it does help that I watched the product demonstration video before, so I kind of knew how to do that. But, oh, there we go. So it looks like there's your stroller. Not sure if everything is snapped into place, but here's your little shade. You have a product registration with your instruction book. There's a little tag on here. And there it is unboxed. We will be doing a more comprehensive review of this stroller once we've had some more time to play with it. see the features and know more about how to fold and unfold it quickly. But it seems pretty simple so far. But keep an eye out for that video.